Hello everyone, it's nice to see you again on my channel. I spent about 2 months visiting my family in Vietnam this summer. This video is about the activities I did in Vietnam. Hope you will like it. After returning to Vietnam, I immediately went to eat bánh mì and coffee. As you can see, I got off the plane in Da Nang and this is my favorite bánh mì shop here. I will rest for a few days in Da Nang after the long flight, have a routine health check and take the train back home to see my family. These are my nephew and nieces. I have total 5 of nephew and niece. It's summer vacation now. School are out, so everyone is gathered in my mom's house. We often go to coffee shop and play racing. As you can see, in recent years, coffee shop combined with children's play areas are become very popular in my hometown. It was really fun. My sister was so excited to play it. They always tell me to take a lot of video. They want to save these memories. The speed of this car is not fast, so it's quite safe for everyone. You guess where I am? This is my high school. I graduated 15 years ago in 2010, and today I will take my nephew to take the high school entrance exam here. He will have to complete 3 subjects of the exam in a 1.5 day.
Bây giờ tự nhiên nó là chuyên, nó là chuyên, trời ạ.
After waiting about 2 weeks, the test results will be available. The school will choose students based on the score from the high to low. Right at the time, my second sister's birthday, so we held a small party for her.
Ready?
After my nephew finished his exam, we went to the beach. You probably don't know, but our house is only about 20 kilometers from the beach. This is the last outing before my second sister returned to Hanoi to work. My upcoming time is mainly to play with the kids. Let me tell you, I have two sisters and a brother. I'm the youngest kid in the family. My eldest sister lives in my hometown. The second sister lives in Hanoi and my brother lives and works in Taiwan. Because of the weather is so hot, I mostly stay indoors. In the afternoon, I go cycling with Bo, my oldest nephew. He just finished his high school entrance exam. Oh, I forgot. He got into the high school. Everyone was surprised by his score. It was higher than we had imagined. You know, he was in a class with many low ability students. More than half of the class did not participate in the exam. He tried very hard and we were very proud of him. After a while in my hometown, I went to Hanoi to visit my second sister. I went to Hanoi on the weekend. My sister had a day off from the work, so we went to some places in Hanoi. How many places do you know in this video of mine? Let me know in the comments. If you want to know more about Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam, I have filmed many videos here. Please watch them again. And this is the most important reason I came back to Vietnam this summer. It's my father's death anniversary. He passed away 7 years ago, the same year we got married, 2018. Every year we will invite relatives and friends to attend his death anniversary. About 40-50 people. It's not much, my friend, because our relatives live very close. We will celebrate today. The first day is to invite my father back home to join the family and relatives, like a welcome back home. The second day will be the official anniversary, the day he passed away 7 years ago. We will make a lot of food for him. That's the culture in my hometown. What about yours? Is there anything different from ours? So, my 2 months summer vacation in Vietnam had ended. Today I will take a train back to Da Nang to rest and prepare for the upcoming long flight back to the US. I feel like I have just returned to Vietnam, but it had been almost 2 months. Time flies so fast. Thank you everyone for all the way and supporting my channel. I'm so sorry for not posting video regularly. See you in the next video. Bye!